So I had a phone call last week from a gentleman called Sean in Galway, and he was looking for some well-aged ribeye and well-aged tomahawk steaks shipped to himself in Galway. So we said no problem. Today I'm going to break down this rib of beef for tomahawk steaks. So that's her when she's all trimmed up, and just look at the colour of that beef. Oh my god, it's sensational. It even smells beautiful raw. Dry aged beef just has the most beautiful smell. It's almost kind of like a rhubarby smell, I always think. But oh, absolutely gorgeous. These are going to be melting in the mouth. They're going to be tender. If you want some for yourself, you can go to grantsmasterbutchers.com and order them for yourself.